In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use DVE effect in DaVinci Resolve 17 Studio version. DVE Tool reminds me in a way of transform node in Fusion. However, there is more to it. You can manipulate effect in a completely different level. There are many ways to use this tool, but today I'm gonna show you the simplest one. Ready? Right, let's jump into the edit page. Welcome to another tutorial in DaVinci Resolve 17. Today I'm going to show you how to use DVE tool, or let's say effect, in DaVinci Resolve 17. Unfortunately, this effect is only available in Studio version, so I'm going to show you today how to use DVE in edit page and also in Fusion page. Let's get started. Let's go to media pool. Let's grab these three video clips, put it on the timeline. So let's just press Alt and delete these audio files. So now we're gonna do something else. So let's stack these video clips one onto another. You can match the duration if you want. It's not necessary to do that. It just looks better. So next thing, let's close the media pool and go to effect library, go to toolbox, go to effects, and under effects you will see fusion effects, and here you have this effect, so DVE, and just drag and drop onto the video clip. You can already see that we have this cutout here, and we're gonna put DVE effect also into the second video clip, and we can close this. So we're gonna play a little bit with these clips. So let's go to inspector and jump into effects. You can see here that we have different tools. So what we can do with them, so we can change the position, we can change pivot, we can change, this is most important, so we can basically change the XYZ axis, so the image on this axis, so we can change also the order XYZ or XZY and so on. So next thing is we can change perspective as well, so we can change, or we can add border, so we can change color of the border, you can see here, and we can change also drop shadow, strength, angle or distance. We can change also the blur of this shadow, color, and on the end we can just add the motion blur to all the effects. So let's just change a few things. As I said, we're gonna go with a red color, and you can see here that doesn't look so bad, looks quite nice. So if we go like this, you can see that we have this red border around. So let's shorten this clip a little bit, let's shorten that one as well. So we're gonna just use this ease out, and we're gonna ease out here, use this ease out as well here, not too much, don't get crazy. So let's jump back to full screen, so we can play it through just to see the smoothness of the transition. Computer still have to do the check, so you can hear it. It's the fans are really loud, so you can see that looks really nice. And we have done this in a couple of minutes, very fast. So you can change a lot of things. So for instance, you can change the position, as I say. You can change also the size of it. So you can go with like this. We're gonna go with 3.0. So, and we have to go to another one. Let's change these as well, and you can see that we're gonna move them a little bit, so not that one, so we're gonna move it to the right hand side. We're gonna move this one as well, like this, and now you can see basically the background image, so background video, and let's play it through. So you can see the two chefs, or sous chef and chef, and you can see all the things that are important with this video clip. So this is it for this effect in edit page. So one more thing that we can do is just highlight all three video clips, go to right click and just go to new compound clip. You can just name it, I don't know, intro 1 if you would like. So, and now you have just one clip that can be used in your, I don't know, tutorial, or you can use it like intro or outro. So a lot of options that you have. So next thing is we're gonna import another clip. So let's go back to media pool. Let's import. So we're gonna import this one. So we're gonna shorten this clip a little bit. So let's see the duration. Let's go with 15 seconds and just highlight the clip, put the playhead in the middle, and let's jump to Fusion page. So now we have here the video clip, and we're gonna do something. So let's import text connected to media 1. So now we're gonna put the text in. Let's say we're gonna go with Cal Gurley. So we're gonna change the size like this. And next thing is let's press Shift and Spacebar and go with Planet Tracker. We're gonna put this Planet Tracker here. We would like that this Planet Tracker just track also the moving of the drone. So that's why we're gonna change this. So, and we're gonna put a plate head on the beginning. So like this. Let's set the reference time, and we're gonna change the translation, and we're gonna do a square here, or let's say the rectangle, and let's play it through. Let's track. So we're gonna put the playhead on the beginning. We're gonna create planet transform and change the position. So we're gonna take away this planet tracker and put planet tracker to the text. So now we can observe that text is flying with the drone. Looks much better than before. It was just static. And one thing more that we're gonna do is let's put the playhead on the beginning, and we're gonna just import another node. So Shift and Spacebar, and we go with DVE. We're gonna just put it in. So you can see here that this, so we're gonna go to frame 200, and we're gonna just keyframe this, and we're gonna go a bit further, and we're gonna just fly through like this, and we can play it through. So you can see this is the, let's say, the easiest effect. You can animate also the text, you can animate everything. So this is the fastest and the easiest way to fly through the text. You saw it here that we can basically do the trick with no effort at all. That's it for today. I will go back to edit page just to show you both effects side by side, and we can play it through. And that's how you can use this DVE effect or DVE tool in DaVinci Resolve 17 studio version. So if you have any questions regarding this effect, let me know down in comments. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. That was really easy. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit that thumbs up. Leave your feedback, suggestion or comments below, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And you are kindly invited to watch my other tutorials as well. Till next time, take care and have a good one.